When we first founded the company 3 years ago, we really wanted to take advantage of everything that is great about residential apartments and then apply everything that's great about hotels and marry the two. We apply all of the brand standards you'd expect in a great hotel, a Four Seasons, a Marriott, what have you, so that there is standardization across our entire platform. We also hire professional hoteliers who manage the buildings and operate our buildings. But we also provide all of the sort of benefits of short-term rentals. You've got, in this case, an 800 square foot suite that includes a full kitchen, laundry facilities in the suite. In our case, because we apply these brand standards, you can rest assured that you'll find the same services, the same level of amenities across our entire platform. And that's where we really carved out a nice little niche. In a post-pandemic world, labor's really tight, costs have gone up significantly, and our guests' expectations are extremely high, much higher than they were even pre-pandemic. And so how do you balance those sort of conflicting areas? Initially, when we were looking for a tech solution, to be completely honest, we were really just looking for something to help us out with our door hardware. And that's when we landed upon Enzo, which took it to a completely different level. Enzo really was kind of a one-stop shop for the guest experience. Everything from pre-arrival, check-in, check-out, and everything in between. Unified messaging platform. We can provide our guests via the boarding pass with everything they need to know about not just our building, but everything around our building. The best place to get a coffee, the best place to get your hair cut, where to walk your dog, all on one simple platform.
Onboarding with Enzo Connect was quite simple. It was an easy program to get used to. If there's any questions, I could reach out and ask, but I found it pretty simple to navigate around myself and be able to set up a lot of things on my own. It all worked pretty seamlessly.
We don't have a concierge standing at a desk 8 hours a day. We don't have a front desk agent standing at a desk 8 hours a day just waiting for the guest. We have one team member who greets our guests on arrival, and then for the balance of their stay, they're using Enzo Connect to converse with that one employee who can juggle both concierge, front desk, housekeeping when necessary. So we're becoming much more efficient than a conventional hotel ever would have been.
Not only does Enzo Connect streamline the guest experience, but it also streamlines our experience as we're able to do everything all in one platform, from communicating to setting up automations, marketing, and so much more.
At the laundry rooms, our team members are all former Four Seasons, Ritz-Carlton luxury hotel employees. We're accustomed to providing an extremely high level of service. In our case, however, we do it with roughly 10% of the staff of a conventional hotel. And Enzo Connect plays a really significant part in that. It's a unified single platform, it's a unified communication tool that effectively allows us to leverage all of that technology and provide those same levels of service with a significant reduction in employee count.